don't think. Just start it again and I'll foot it together. Thanks, man. I didn't even see you stop it.
I didn't know what we were going to be discussing. So
oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Probably a good idea. All right, guys. Sorry for the interruption. I forgot that we were back on air, huh? Okay, yeah, we're good. Visitors, dog walkers, dog walking their dogs, and a couple little, I think they're called American Huskies, I think. No, I'm not sure, but they're white. Adorable. And one male and one female. The female, she barks at her own shadow. And the male, he's a a pet hound. He loves to get pets. So they come by and he sits here and lets me rub him. He used to, you can see all the white hair. I don't know, well, maybe you can't from over there. I just now noticed that. He'll sit here and let me rub him. And he's younger, and they had her for a couple of years or so before they got him. And he's just as laid back and gentle and loves to be petted. So she would always bark. She would bark at everything and never could say anything to them. And but whoops, they got to figure out how to get in here. Whoa, 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 whoa! About to fall over. They've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know what I did with my fifth hole. Can't count. All right. I guess I'm just going to stick these two up here like this. Or maybe I'll put this one in here like this. Yeah. And put those two up there like that. Then we do this. All right. I'm going to need my hory knife. I really don't know where I did to the other hole. Can't count. Just that simple. I can't count. All right, put some bulb tone in here. Now we'll put these, called Golden Pearl. Put these in here. And yep, fell back down in there. Get in there. There we go. One. These bulbs are huge and healthy. Get these babies in the ground. 2. 3. Don't know if this is going to be a good spot right here or not because I'm putting them behind. They'll be shaded. They won't get that southern sun. We'll see. All right, there's 4 of them. Where am I going to put number? I don't know why. I don't know what I was doing. Good thing about this hory knife, got a scoop, got a measure thing on it. So there you have it. Almost 5 inches deep. Put this in here. Keep everything from falling back in. Yeah, that needs to be a little deeper. There we go. That's gooder. That's gooder. And yes, I know it's better. I like to be funny. Try to be funny anyway. Not sure I'm very funny, but try to be. All right, guys. There you have it. Oh, there are 15 more bulbs out of the 250. So I think that puts me up to 54. So I still got like 200 bulbs to get in the ground. We're getting there. Tomorrow's supposed to be another beautiful day. So I'll do some more tomorrow. Oh. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate you coming by and going on this journey, this mission with me. Have a good evening. Arrivederci.